limitation how we or how much we can use things created for us, for our use. But they are to take us to God. There is the conversion. There is the moderate way of living. Things are not there for simply for use. Things are there that we may reach God, recognize God. Creation is therefore direct communication of revelation of God. I think that's what we learned in the fundamental theology, basic theology. And that is where I believe we cannot overlook the significance of conversion. God can reveal, but without my heart converted to God, it will have no effect. I still need an openness to receive that grace of revelation, thinking in it. Then the change will come. Then I will look at creation from the eyes of God for which He has created.